Okay, so we're going to have a nice look at a good exercise for decreasing some tension in the low back, just lying face down. This is prone decompression breathing for your low back area. So we want to start out here, lying face down, put your head on your hands, and just start to get kind of heavy into your rib cage. So lower ribs, just kind of feeling some heaviness there, relaxing in the shoulders. Want to position the feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. And then you can just engage a really big exhale. And as you inhale back in, try to kind of breathe into the low back area. To help with this, you can kind of gently use your glutes, like a 5% kind of squeeze of your glutes. And feel how you're able to kind of take the belt line away from your mid-back at the back side. So you're kind of taking your tailbone down towards your heels as you inhale. And as you exhale, you might feel your pelvis sort of tilt back towards the front again. Belly button pushes a little bit more into the ground. So you start to feel like it's more as though the breath is actually driving this movement at the pelvis. As opposed to using your back muscles. We want our back muscles to be completely relaxed while we're doing this. Okay, so that is our lumbar decompression with deep breathing and just a little bit of kind of posterior pelvic tilting, to help take tension down out of the low back. And it can be a great exercise for when you're in some pain for your low back. We've used it a lot with people with disc injuries, people that have some back sprains, or people that just kind of tend to get a lot of tension in their low back area. We want to take some pressure off of that, and because of that sort of movement of just like opening things up, takes a lot of pressure off the nerves there too. It makes things a little bit happier often in the hips and some muscles that might be a little bit hypersensitive down the rest of the leg. Okay, so primarily decompression breathing. We'll use it in our rehab crowd for those sort of purposes. With our performance crowd, we actually use this a lot after heavy workouts or practices or training and stuff like that. So you're feeling like you really worked yourself hard and you just need to kind of take some tension down and relax. This is a great exercise for doing that. You want to kind of bring your mind right into that low back and help things to kind of relax with your breath. Okay, hope it helps.